how to install Amazon Flex app, deliver with Amazon. So this app is very high in the business charts, and then you can just earn some additional revenue with this app. The app lets you deliver with Amazon. Amazon delivers millions of items each year, delighting customers around the world. We are investing in getting deliveries to customers faster all the time, and people like you can help make it happen. Grow with Amazon. Are you looking for work opportunities that provides great pay and a chance to deliver smiles to customers? The Amazon Flex app gives you access to technology that makes delivering packages early. It simply will guide you every step of the way, from sign up to making your first delivery to on-road support. Let's go. Most Amazon Flex delivery partners earn $18 to $25 per hour. If you join us, you can build your own schedule 7 days a week. You can schedule work ahead or accept same-day offers when you have spare time. You must be 21 or over and have a valid ID to be an Amazon Flex delivery partner. So then, you can just open it up. You need to connect your accessories, and then you can just sign in with Amazon, or you can create an account. Just start from creating account or sign in with your existing Amazon account.